That's why these toys for the big boys are still very much around till now. A timeless toy for the young and the young at heart is the remote-controlled car or RC. They run on land, sea, and air and can be operated by just a touch of a button or a shift of a knob.
Ito yung mga replica ng mga kotse, mga real cars. Pero they're much more smaller and you can control them with the remote.
There are two types, the electric RCs, which use batteries for power, and the nitro-powered, which rely on nitromethanol. Like the real ones, RCs also require basic maintenance and sometimes repair, from tune-ups, loosening or tightening suspension, and even body works.
Siguro ako kasi frustrated ako eh. I can't buy a nice car na pwede kong paglaruan lang. So I just binubuhos ko na lang dito.
A remote-controlled car, truck, or boat costs between 18 and 30,000 pesos, while an RC aircraft ranges from 80 to 100,000. Quite expensive, but for hobbyists, it's satisfaction guaranteed.
Huwag niyo masyadong ilulog yung sarili niyo. I mean, it's supposed to be a hobby, an outlet for stress or anything. Saka kung may budget, yun, okay lang.